Assuming you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Theta organization will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Theta organization and will especially figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly, in every practical sense, remember that you really want to by and large take this expectation and each very other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master, experts, or so they generally thought. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable, which is very critical. Be that as it may, we will attempt our scarcely awesome. We should begin. Theta organization, especially past value examination, amazingly. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization in every way that really matters is $1.01, and Theta is as of now position number 52 in the essentially whole crypto environment. The core supply of Theta organization essentially is 1 billion with a market cap of $1,011,332,973. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 0.77% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Theta with yesterday, you can see that the market cap certainly is likewise down. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Theta generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.77%, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and contribute, which basically is very huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta basically diminished by 16.072%, killing an incredible normal amount of 19 cents from its sort of current worth, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change essentially is around 16.45%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of 84 cents to most extreme normal cost of 87 cents in the beyond 90 days. In truly most recent 4 months, Theta organization sort of has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Theta organization is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 16.26%, with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $1.13, and the base truly normal value of was around 94 cents in beyond 4 months. We certainly foresee future Theta organization cost expectations. A conjecture by applying sort of profound, really computerized reasoning helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Theta organization. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the Theta coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Theta organization market cap, Theta organization volume, and hardly any more. Assuming that you truly are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from fundamentally your ventures, in every practical sense, make a point to peruse our expectations. Theta organization value expectation 2023 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta. In 2023, the cost of Theta organization is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.14. The Theta organization value worth can essentially arrive at a limit of $1.34, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.18 in USD. In an unpretentious manner, Theta organization value expectation 2024 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at least value worth of $1.70. The Theta cost can arrive at an essentially greatest value worth of $2.02, with the typical worth of $1.76. Theta value estimate for 2025, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $2.42 in 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2.98, with the typical exchanging cost of $2.51 all through 2025, which is very critical. Or so they thought. Theta organization value expectation 2026, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $3.42 in 2026. The Theta organization cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $4.28, with the typical cost of $3.54 all through 2026. Theta organization value expectation 2027, Theta organization cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $5.11 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest kind of conceivable degree of $6.09 with the fundamentally normal gauge cost of $5.25, or so they by and large thought. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2028, the cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to reach at a really least degree of $7.37. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $8.79 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost of $7.63. Incredibly, Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029 Theta Organization Cost is estimate to in every practical sense arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $10.81 in 2029, which is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme certainly conceivable degree of $12.84 with the very normal conjecture cost of $11.19, which especially is very critical. Theta Organization Value Figure 2030 The cost of Theta Organization is generally anticipated to reach at least worth of $15.86 in 2030. The Theta Organization cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $19.19 with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $16.42 all through 2030. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031 as per our profound specialized examination on fundamentally past value information of Theta. In 2031, the cost of Theta Organization basically is anticipated to in a real sense reach at least degree of $21.69. The Theta cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of $27.01 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $22.51 in a significant manner, or so they thought. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2032 The cost of one Theta Organization is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $31.49 in 2032. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $37.66 with the especially normal cost of $32.39 all through 2032. What is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at $1.01 with the market cap of $1,011,332,973. What amount will Theta Organization in every way that really matters be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Theta Organization will have a base cost of $6.09 and a most extreme cost of $5.11 per Theta in an every way that really matters enormous way. Since Theta Organization fundamentally is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. How much does Theta Organization cost in 2024 in an every practical sense, significant way? The cost of Theta Organization will increment as kind of additional financial backers sort of engage in the undertaking, which is very huge. In year 2024, Theta Organization will be worth about a normal cost of $1.76 in an unpretentious manner. How truly much will Theta Organization sort of be worth in 2030? As far as value, Theta Organization has a remarkable potential to arrive at new